So the last thing you should have done is hit reset right here. And then it asks you to form a hypothesis. How do you think the angle of the plate will affect how much sunlight hits the plate? So this is your guess. How much did you think? Then you're going to set the axis angle to -80. So that's scooching this left, get to -80 and click fire, record the number of hits. Repeat for each angle and fill in the tables below. You can use the slider or type the number into the text field. Well, now I know that. That was harder before. I can type the number in. So after -80, you're going to do -60. And then hit fire. Then reset. After fire, write down how many hits. That would be shown right here. Hit reset. Then you'll do -40. And -20, then 0. Then for the next graph, you have 0, 20, 40, 60 degrees, and then finally 80 degrees. So the last one, you would put 80 degrees, hit fire, and in the hits, you would write 18. Then it says, analyze what is the relationship between the axis angle and the number of solar rays that hit the plate. So you're going to look at the two tables that you made and analyze. So analyze means to look at and think about what is a pattern that you see between the angle and the number of hits in the plate. Next says interpret. Select the graph tab. So the graph tab is right up here on the right, on the top, graph tab, right there. And this is the graph that it would be making. Okay, so you should get a better graph than what I have right now, but that's what they mean by select the graph tab. It goes on to say, apply, at what angle will the plate get the hottest? So you'll look at your graph and decide at what angle will the plate get the hottest. Then extend your thinking. We'll say the plate is a model for how sunlight hits Earth's surface. Which parts of Earth are most similar to the plate with an axis angle of 0? Explain. So you're going to tell the part of the Earth and explain how you know. And B, which parts of the Earth are most similar to the plate with an axis angle of 80. So tell which part of Earth and why is that the most similar to the plate angle of 80.